Hey y'all, Zach at Crapcan Heroes here. Thanks for liking our Facebook page. I really hope that you're enjoying the content that we have been working to provide. If you think some of your friends will enjoy the automotive hijinks and crapcanical engineering that we do in our videos, there's a pretty easy way to invite them to like our page on Facebook. Let me show you how to do that. So, if you go to our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/crapcanheroes or simply click the link in your Facebook profile, you'll come to our page here. It's actually pretty simple on PC. You'll see a button with three dots, probably right next to your image here, as you can see, mine. You'll click on it and click Invite Friends, and you'll be able to select any and all friends who you think would benefit from the content that we're producing. In this case, I'll invite Nick and simply hit Send Invites.